Tired of your phone crawling slower than a snail on a Sunday morning? Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate showdown, Visible versus Visible Plus, to see which carrier offers the speed and features you actually need. First up, data speeds. Visible's base plan can be deprioritized, meaning during peak hours, your speeds might take a hit. Visible Plus, on the other hand, boasts premium data on Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband network, ensuring lightning-fast performance even when everyone else is online. Think streaming movies in crystal-clear HD without buffering, a gamer's dream come true. Next, let's talk coverage. Both Visible and Visible Plus utilize Verizon's network, giving you solid nationwide coverage. However, Visible Plus gets that extra boost with access to Verizon's faster 5G ultra-wideband in more locations, giving you an edge in supported locations. Check the coverage maps on their website to see how your area fares. Now, the burning question: price. Visible is the more budget-friendly option, perfect if you're looking to save some serious cash. Visible Plus comes with a higher price tag, but you're paying for that prioritized data and extra perks. Are the faster speeds and extra features worth the cost? That's the real question we need to ask ourselves. Beyond speed and coverage, Visible Plus sweetens the deal with additional features like international calling to select countries, spam call protection, and a higher mobile hotspot allowance. Visible offers hotspot too, but has a lower data cap. So, which carrier reigns supreme? If you're a heavy data user, consistently need fast speeds, and value those extra perks, Visible Plus is the clear winner. But if you're on a tight budget and can tolerate occasional slowdowns, Visible is a solid choice. Ultimately, the best plan depends on your individual needs and usage habits. Analyze what is best for you and your day-to-day phone usage.